Okay. As I have already given you homework yesterday, yes, Priyanshu, that's correct, about phrases and clauses. Can anyone tell me what are phrases? Whenever you are answering, you have to switch on your videos. Yes, Lakshay.
Then phrases are group of words.
Lakshay, just now I told you, you have to switch on your. Hmm. Now speak the answer.
Then phrases are group of words.
For example,
Ma'am, she is swimming.
okay. Anyone else? Yes, Roshan.
Ma'am, a group of words that are used together, a phrase does not contain a full verb.
For example,
Ma'am, for example, first of all and a bar of chocolate are phrases.
very good. So, but we have done phrases in class 5 also, if you remember, phrases and clauses and independent and dependent clauses, isn't it? So what does it says? There are a group of words that making a sense without a verb. When we do not have a verb, then in the sentence and it is making a sense. For example, I say in the afternoon, right? After you breakfast. When we do not have a set of, we have a set of words that are making some sense, not a complete sense, without a verb. Fine? Vashika and Navya, you have your English periodic today at 2 o'clock. Alright. What are clauses? Anyone, what are clauses? Again, the same hands. Come on, we have done this in class 5, phrases and clauses. This is just a recapitulation. See, if I just told you the phrases are the group of words without a verb. And what are clauses? Yes, Mahek?
A group of words that make sense by word.
A group of words that make a
That
sense and has
yes,
a verb. Right?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell?
Sister Pranchi, no, you will never get chance like this. As I was saying, that this is just a recapitulation what we did already in class 5, right? For example, let's see phrases and clauses. Phrases we have just discussed that these are the group of words without a verb in it, whereas clauses is a group of words that has a verb. It has its of subject and predicate also. Clause can be the sentence in itself and it can be a part of a sentence also. Like I told you, there are two type of clauses that we have done in class 5, dependent and independent. By the name, we can judge independent means that is not dependent on anything, that is giving the meaning itself, whereas dependent means it is dependent on the other part of the sentence. Similarly, please do not touch your screens, Ritvik. Similarly, we have named them into main clauses and subordinate clauses. Main clauses are independent clauses that make the complete sense, whereas Nitin, I cannot shout, but I'm speaking pretty loud. Check your volume there. Volume from your side. Whereas subordinate means they do not make a complete sense by themselves. They are dependent clauses. Like Shilpa has left. We have a verb here and it is making a complete sense. But if I say because of the network issue, because of the network issue, or because she had the network issue. Here we have the verb had, right? But it is starting from because. When our clauses are generally starting with the conjunctions like when, because, until, from that to the end of the sentence. And if it has a verb, it is a subordinate clause. Any doubt till here? Anyone, any doubt? Yes, Lakshya.
Ma'am, I don't understand types of clauses.
But do you remember dependent and independent clauses?
Yes, ma'am.
See, dependent means independent by the name means that does not require anything else, right? If I say
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshay is speaking, it is giving us complete meaning,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
That Lakshay is speaking. So it will be Ritvik. Please behave yourself, Ritvik. So it is a main clause. Main clause are independent clauses. Clear till
Ma'am,
here?
they are just synonym.
Yes, they are the synonyms. Main clause are also called independent clauses, whereas dependent are subordinate clauses.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see question number A. You have to tell whether the underlying parts are P for phrases, C for clauses. You just have to see whether the underlying part has a verb or not. The child rushed to the door. Phrase or a clause? Yes, Arav?
Ma'am, phrase.
We do not have a verb here. The child rushed to the door.
Ma'am, clause.
Clause. What is a verb here, Arav?
Ma'am, rushed.
Very good. So it is a clause with a rush. Ritvik, one more time. If you unmute yourself, I will remove you from the class and then you cannot rejoin. Please be very careful while attending the class. On the table. Yes, Lavina?
Ma'am, phrase.
Very good phrase. Rest of the answers we'll discuss in the next class. Now, see, these is just a recapitulation of what we have already done. Now, there are some sentences in which we have a main clause as well as a subordinate clause, and there can be two main clauses joining with and or. Like the birds fly and fish swim. They're giving the entire meaning. Or if I can say, do you? Okay. I love mangoes and I like oranges. When the sentence is joining with and or but with the conjunctions, and there are two main clauses, they are known as coordinating conjunctions or coordinating clauses, and when they join with conjunctions they are known as coordinating conjunctions. I was very tired, so I went to sleep. My phone network was not working, so I could not attend the class. This is a coordinating clauses because we have two main clauses joining with a conjunction. Whereas when we have a main clause and a subordinate clause, they join with the words like because, that, when, until. Any doubt till here? No. Okay. If you have a doubt, either write your name or raise your hand now. Now raise your hand or write your name if you have a doubt till here. Yes, Priyanshi.
Ma'am, I cannot understand dependent clauses.
Dependent means when they are not complete sentences. If I say without taking the permission, it has a verb in this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But it does not giving us the complete meaning,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So it is a dependent clause, or we can say subordinate clause.
Okay, ma'am.
Tanishka, coordinating conjunctions are the conjunctions which are used to join the two main clauses, like and, or, but, or so. Any other thing, anyone else? I know there are a lot of network issues today due to rain, maybe. So I'm not going to do anything new. We are just recapitulating what we have already done. Yes, Lakshay?
Ma'am, I don't understand. Um, Ma'am, coordinating clause.
I just told you when we are joining two main clauses in a sentence, if there are two main clauses, like if I say, Lakshay asked for a permission, so I allowed him to speak. We have two verbs in these sentences,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And I said Lakshay has a doubt. It is giving a complete meaning that
Yes,
Lakshay
ma'am.
has a doubt, and I allowed him to speak. It is also giving a complete meaning. They are not independent. They are dependent clauses, both of them. And I'm
Ma'am, can you
joining.
repeat?
See, both of them are the dependent clauses, independent
Yes,
clauses.
ma'am.
They are clauses.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm joining them with a conjunction like so. And it is giving us the complete meaning. It has two verbs. Both are main clauses. So it is known as coordinating clauses.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? See, if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
read the paragraph, it says that both birds fly and fish swim. If I've given the example like Lakshya has a doubt, this sentence can be alone. It is one complete sentence. I allowed him to speak. This is another complete sentence. When we join two complete main clauses, they are known as coordinating clauses. Clauses are the group of words that have a verb in it. Let's see. Combine each of these sentences using using a suitable coordinating conjunction. Like, we wanted to climb the hill, we were tired. So we have used but. Ravi likes sweets, I gave him a big chocolate bar. Yes, Lakshay?
Ma'am, Ravi likes sweets and I gave him a big chocolate bar.
Will it be I? Oh, will it be so?
Ma'am,
Or
and
and? And
ma'am,
Lavi, see, but when do we use and? We use and when the two things are same. But this is telling you a reason. For reason, yes, Lavina, what will we use? Yes, Lavina, Priyanshi,
Ma'am, we will use and.
no. Yes, Shruti, no, Shruti, not a correct answer. Yes, Nitin, yes, Priyanshi, now correct. Nitin has given the correct answer. I don't know why he's not speaking. Okay. Uh, yes, Priyanshi,
Ma'am, the answer is so.
complete the sentence. Join the sentences.
Ravi likes sweets, so I give him a big chocolate bar.
Yes, Lavi likes sweets, so I gave him a big chocolate bar. Understood how we have to do it? Any doubt to anyone till now?
No, ma'am.
Now, next we have to do types of phrases and types of clauses that I'm going to tell you in the next class. Till now, you just have to do question A and B. Any doubt you may ask me right now? We have just done today what are phrases, then what are clauses, and then the types of clauses. Main clause, subordinate clause, and coordinating clauses. Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
Please write yes or no in the chat box. I'll give you 5 minutes. Please complete question A and B and then we'll discuss. Done. Lavina, wait, we'll discuss. And Lakshya, how do you know that? Okay, just wait. Ricky,
Ma'am, because they have not choose the call video audio option.
okay. Maybe due to network issue. They have done it earlier. That's okay. I've received only Tanishka's done. Others, alright, let's discuss them now. Mother, okay, on the table we have done. He went to the cinema. Yes, Tanishka?
Ma'am, clauses C.
C, very good. Next Tuesday, next Tuesday. Yes, Lavina?
Ma'am, phrase.
Phrase. By train. Yes, Nikunj?
Ma'am, phrase.
Very good. He is the owner. Yes, Shruti.
Ma'am, C.
Very good. Once they leave. Once they leave. Yes, Lakshay.
Ma'am, face.
Once they leave. Leave is a verb.
Ma'am, clause.
Clause. Very good. Let's see question number 2. B. Have you done B part also? Yes, Roshan. Rose had fever. She came to school. Sorry. Hurry up. We will be late for school.
Ma'am, hurry up, yet we will be late for school.
No. Shweta.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Hurry up. So we will be late for school.
So, no. Anyone else? Priyanshi?
Ma'am, it's hurry up, otherwise we will be late for school.
Otherwise is not a conjunction. Please read the conjunction from the box. Alright, question B is homework. Do it. We'll discuss on Monday. That's okay. Yes, Lavina, you are correct. Jhalak, correct. Lavina, you can speak so that everyone knows once.
Ma'am, or.
Or hurry up, or we will be late. Fine. I'm ending the class for the day. Enjoy the weather, 6th day. The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, ma'am,
Fine.
it's raining.
Yes, it's raining. Enjoy the weather, but do not get wet. Otherwise, you will be ill. You'll get sick. Fine. Complete your work and enjoy it.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.